Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to set up YNAB. First, you will connect your bank account securely. This allows YNAB to import your transactions automatically, saving you time. Next, create your budget categories, such as groceries or rent, to organize your spending. The core principle is to give every dollar a job, ensuring you know exactly where your money is going. Start by funding your immediate needs, then allocate funds to your savings goals. YNAB operates on 4 simple rules that guide your financial decisions. Crucially, you only budget money you currently have, not income you expect to receive later. This prevents overspending and keeps your budget realistic. Remember, your budget is a living document. Adjust it as your priorities or circumstances change. If an unexpected expense comes up, simply move money between categories to cover it, a concept YNAB calls rolling with the punches. To keep your budget accurate, enter your transactions as soon as they happen. This can be done manually or by allowing YNAB to import them from your connected accounts. Regularly reconcile your accounts by comparing YNAB balance to your bank's balance. This ensures everything matches up perfectly. The mobile app makes it easy to enter transactions on the go, helping you stay on top of your spending and make informed decisions. YNAB helps you set and track financial goals, whether it's saving $5,000 for a down payment or paying off a credit card. The robust reporting features allow you to visualize your spending trends, net worth, and progress toward your goals. This insight is invaluable for making informed financial decisions. Continuously review and refine your budget to ensure it aligns with your evolving financial aspirations. For more great deals, including the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.